Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use AI to spot trends on KuCoin. We'll start by exploring how artificial intelligence processes vast amounts of market data to uncover hidden patterns. You'll learn to quickly identify emerging trading opportunities and understand the core principles behind AI-driven analysis. This will help you leverage powerful tools that seamlessly integrate with your KuCoin trading experience. Next, let's dive into setting up your AI tools. You'll need to securely connect your chosen AI analysis platform to KuCoin's API, ensuring a smooth data flow. We'll then walk through configuring essential parameters, such as specific trading pairs and preferred timeframes, to tailor the AI to your strategy. Finally, learn how to set up effective alerts for significant trend changes, keeping you informed. Now, let's focus on interpreting the signals your AI generates. It's crucial to understand how to read these insights for potential market movements, helping you make informed decisions. We'll cover how to distinguish between strong, actionable trend indicators and weaker signals that might require further confirmation. Remember to always combine these AI insights with your own well-developed trading strategy for optimal results. For advanced users, consider implementing automated trading strategies directly based on your AI's predictions, streamlining your operations. It's also vital to continuously refine your AI models, adjusting parameters and data sources for improved accuracy and performance over time. And hey, if you're looking to expand your knowledge, check the description for a link to a great e-reader and other deals to help you explore new ways to read and learn about trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.